Hello and welcome. My name is Joshua Tom. I am currently a CTE teacher at Quantico Middle High School in Quantico, Virginia. This video is the first in a series of videos that have been created to give you a video guide to DoDEA's new Biotechnology Engineering course. In this video segment, we will explore some of the background and foundational knowledge about biotechnology engineering. How did this course come about? How was it created? And what are the next steps? To start, in the school year 2009-2010, a task force of CTE teachers were asked to envision what the future of CTE should be in DoDEA, and then the steps to take to achieve that vision. The task force recommended that 4 new focus areas should be added to our CTE offerings, and that these focus areas would be based on the integrated learning concept of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. With these 4 courses, CTE will continue to provide every DoDEA student worldwide with the subjects and skills that are driving our 21st century society. The 4 areas that were identified were robotics and computer control, renewable energy and resources, computer gaming, and biotechnology. The next step in the process was to form design teams for each of these focus areas. Headquarters put out a call for qualified teachers to submit an application if they were interested in being a part of one of the new course design teams. From these applications, groups were formed and work began on the design of these new courses. Biotechnology engineering was a direct result of that and developed by DoDEA teachers and instructional support specialists. I was a part of the team that was selected to help create and design this new course, along with Celeste Kimball, a biology teacher, Amy Nye, a biology teacher, and Hua Win, our headquarters CTE ISS, who guided us through the process. After much debate, research, and writing, our team created a vision for the biotechnology engineering course. We chose a course that blended the science and disciplines of biology with the technology and disciplines of engineering. This, we found, was no small task. Blending 2 subject areas that are traditionally separated in the educational setting was not easy. Yet we agreed that in the actual field of biotechnology engineering, there was a synergy between the 2 disciplines. It was a great example of how science, engineering, technology, and math come together in the real world. We then started a search for a model or models to help us design the course. First, we looked for other high school courses in biotechnology as well as textbooks and curriculum that could help us design this course and be used as a base material. But we did not find anything that seemed to fit. At that time, there were very few high school programs in biotech, and none of them had an emphasis on the engineering aspect of the field. We then turned to higher education and found only one school that was blending both the fields of biology and engineering into a cohesive product, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT. We dug into their open courseware in what they call bioengineering, which contains online lessons and lectures from the MIT faculty. I highly recommend that maybe you watch a few of these, and they'll be listed in the notes. We found a philosophy that fit our vision, a philosophy of a course that it really is a true marriage of biology and engineering with a focus on hands-on problem solving and inquiry-based learning. The MIT program inspired us to formulate a course where the instructors are facilitators and students are not just learners, but apprentice scientists and engineers who seek to understand the biological world around them and use that biological world to solve real-world problems. With this vision in hand, we then started to create a framework for the course. We looked to the biotech industry to help us break the field into smaller areas of study. We settled on the following 8 fields of biotechnology: safety, history and development of biotech, ethics, DNA technology, forensics, agricultural biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, and bioinformatics. We then added 4 areas of study and practice that scientists and engineers must be practitioners of to be productive, effective, and successful in their fields: communicating technical and scientific information, being a problem solver, careers and certifications in the biotechnology engineering field, and the design process. We also added a unit for students to apply their knowledge and skills, a capstone project, which is an open-ended problem that students pursue in the area of biotechnology and apply the 4 areas of study and practice with one of the biotechnology fields to solve a real-world problem. We understand that this course and its vision and its structure is a departure from the normal classroom environment. The pilot programs in our schools have shown that while the vision for the course might be difficult to implement, it is rewarding for both the students and teachers, and it motivated the students to become independent learners and problem solvers. We are excited by the outcomes of the first round of the pilots. The course is currently at 3 schools in DoDEA: Guam High School, Quantico Middle High School, and Vicenza High School, with the course making its way hopefully out into DoDEA during the school year of 2013 to 2014. This series of videos is part of an online course for teachers who will be teaching the course for the first time in their schools. It is an attempt to create a common vision and set of tools for all teachers and schools that will be offering this to their students and hope to implement a successful biotechnology engineering course. In this segment about the creation of DoDEA's new biotechnology engineering class, I hope that it's given you a better idea of how and why the course was created, what its vision is, and where we are now. In the next segment, we will explore the field of biotechnology and what it is, and define how science and engineering differ, but how they are unified in the field of biotechnology engineering. Thank you for watching.